Hey there, chess enjoyers! Today we will together continue to explore the exciting chess world, or to be more specific, the role of the most powerful piece in the whole game of chess, worth 9 points of material, the queen. So the queen is often considered the most powerful piece on the chessboard in the whole game of chess. But why is that? Let's break it down. The queen combines the movements of both the rook and also the bishop, meaning it can move horizontally, vertically, and also diagonally through the whole chessboard, meaning she can reach and control different parts of the chessboard very fast and effective. For example, she can move from here to here to here to here and so on, just around the whole chessboard in a very short span of time and very fast. So this incredible range of motion makes her the most versatile piece in the whole game. But historically, the queen wasn't always this powerful as it is right now in the game of chess. In early versions of chess, the piece that eventually became the queen had very limited movement abilities. It wasn't until the 15th century in Europe that the queen gained her modern abilities, movements, and her modern power that she has right now. So this change in the 15th century revolutionized the game, adding new depths and strategic possibilities for the queen and for the game in general. By the way, if you're also interested in learning more about the role of chess pieces, about other chess pieces, so not only about the queen, then feel free to check out the videos down there linked in the video description, or also somewhere here above me in the info box, because I've already made a video talking about the role of the pawn, that you can see here, and also of the most important piece of the game, the king. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the announcement bell so you won't miss anything new on this YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's talk about the strategical aspect of the queen. The queen's power can be a double-edged sword. While she is incredibly strong, losing your queen is often a big setback in many chess games of yours. So how should you use her? In the opening, it's generally wise to keep your queen safe and focus on developing your other chess pieces in the center of the chessboard where they are the most powerful. So especially the pawns here and also the light chess pieces, meaning the knights and your bishops. So earlier moves with the queen can sometimes lead to vulnerability. A simple example to underline this is the famous Scholar's Mate trap, also called Fool's Mate. On e4 and e5, white continues with queen h5, hoping that after knight c6 and bishop to c4, black will respond with knight to f6, attacking our queen on h5, with probably the intention to kick it back on our own half of the chessboard, on which white can checkmate his opponent on f7 after only 4 moves into the game with this Scholar's Mate trap. But if white's opponent, so the player who plays the black chess pieces in this match, is a bit smarter and more clever, then on bishop c4 by white, he won't answer with knight f6, but rather with, for example, pawn g6, blocking this diagonal connecting the white queen on h5 with the black pawn here on f7, and also not allowing the queen to checkmate on the following move. Also forcing her to retreat back, let's say for example on f3. At this point, white's queen is under attack and moving the queen, so from this position here, means that white will lose valuable tempo, so time, falling back in development against his opponent, by how I've already said, for example playing queen f3. So my conclusion is that moving the queen early in the game can be tempting to try and end the game quickly, but it often backfires against experienced opponents, like for example when he plays pawn g6 in the position before, or also in many other chess situations on the board. But if we take a look at the middle game of a chess match, then it's completely different here. The queen can dominate the board, coordinating attacks, supporting his own chess pieces, and exploiting weaknesses of his opponent, and be very strong and powerful. So how can you make the most of your queen? Let's continue with a few tips and advices I would like to give you concerning the movement and the role of your queen in the game of chess. The first aspect is develop your queen wisely. Avoid bringing her out too early unless it's part of a well-calculated plan. How I've already shown you that it's not practical in most of the cases to bring her out in the debut of the game, because you can't have a plan and in the first 3 moves, for example, of a chess game, because the pieces aren't developed yet. My second tip is coordinate with other pieces. A queen only isn't that strong as a queen coordinating and attacking with your other chess pieces combined in a big attack. So use the queen in conjunction with your other chess pieces for maximum effectiveness. My third tip or advice is protect your queen. Be mindful of potential threats or unnecessary risks and avoid them. How I've already said, losing your queen might be a big setback and not so good for you, even if it's just a valuable or equally valuable trait. And my fourth and already last aspect and tip is exploit weaknesses with your queen. Use the queen to exploit weaknesses in your opponent's position, such as exposed kings, for example, or also weak pawns. Because, how I have already said, the queen is the most powerful chess piece, especially because of the fact that she can just move across the whole board very fast and effective. So this was an audio of this video, which I have shown you the role of the most powerful chess piece of the whole game of chess, which is the queen. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a like, activate the announcement bell, and write down there in the comments about which other chess topics you want to have a brand new video about. Till next time, bye!